Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. As always, hope that you're all doing very well. Normally now the computer is fixed. I am with a main computer right now. The microphone normally is working well. Let me just see the sound very quick. Normally you also have 4K available. Yes, it's working well. Nice. Perfect. So just gonna remove the sound on my side for this, and there we go. NVDA is dropping, it looks like. So good morning to you all. I'm just gonna pop out the chat here so we can see the message. There we go. Nice. So yeah, before to start, I'm gonna go and cover Bitcoin as always, first of all, and then I'm gonna go on the Alts, because yes, we've got a lovely drop in the last update. Was looking for a possible increase in price, and so well, the ABC flat next. If we had to make one more new high here, we did got some nice bearish data on the top here. Bring us at the moment with these lovely red candles, but yeah, everything is working well here. Nice. But yeah, before to start, I just want to let you know that there is the $1,000 contest that is live, that is started really today. So you have to click the enter button here, you will enter the quiz. This is a quiz really. You can scroll down here to get some more details. To, for example, well, you have 20 minutes to complete the quiz. You can make it, of course, in less time, but if you go past 20 minutes, really, it will end the quiz automatically. Each question is 1 point. It's a quiz on the 10 Elliott wave lessons. Okay, so on the full Elliott wave course, really. You've got. Make sure if you. Well, if you didn't check it first, I mean, well, now maybe you know the course, but if you know the course, make sure to go and check at the 4 last chartings there, the latest ones, so you can get some experience in addition to the theory, so you have simply more chance to finish in the top 3 of this ranking, because yes, the $1,000 theory is simply shared between the 3 winners really. The first place is $500. I added something here. If you manage to beat my time, so it's 8 minutes and 1 second, you will get $300 in addition to the $500. The second is will get $300, and the third place will get $200 worth in Bitcoin. In any case, this is now available on the website for the apprentice members. So if you're not apprentice yet, you can sign up as apprentice. On this being said, let's now add all the levels, go on the weekly time frame, and update the chart. As simple as that, really. So we have okay, well, we have a new weekly there. Okay, cool. All right. Just gonna add this on the. I don't have it here. All right, let's go with this. Nice, perfect. Okay. So weekly here. Do we have any daily level? It's already hit, so I don't really care. Just gonna check what we've got. I mean, how it was. No. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go on ExoCharts that is there, and let's see here what we have. So no naked session path control. I already added the levels on the top here. You've got a naked session path control, DNPOC, TPO here. So there's no new TPO, weekly naked path control. Okay. One on the top, so we can take the bottom here, 71.025.5. Okay, good. And then we have what? No DNPOC. No. Okay, nice. So let's come back on the order flow here. Well, we have first of all here, no, I'm gonna come back on the levels there really quick to show you this. We have a single print just above. We've got a rejection for the moment, as you can see at the bottom of the single print. Now, well, it all depends if we manage to get acceptance above and in it really. If we do so, well, we're going to look for the top of the single print minimum, so to speak, around the bottom right here of the price range on the top here. Okay, this is simple as that. And if we manage to get acceptance above this, well, we're going to manage to reclaim the lows, and so we're going to be able to go to well, this resistance here. Okay, with the monthly and all the lower time frame conference. And if we manage to break this, well, we are back into the range again, so we just have to trade the range really until it breaks, as simple as that. So if to speak, if we break up, we can simply look for a swing through pan or a fair auction. Okay, swing through pan here, fair auction here. If we don't do this, we're simply going to look for the last resistance we have above us, so TPO up to the naked session path control, and if there is nothing again in there, nothing bearish, we're simply going to look for a new all-time high to be made. So yeah, these are the targets really for higher prices. If we have to look for lower prices, well, we've got this absolutely nice target there. It was shared on the Discord server. The first target really, once we started to drop, was simply here, so the bottom of the range really. So you've got a possible swing through pan or a fair auction down to the value area low here. We've got absolutely no reason to take a trade in that. Okay, we've got on the order flow, it was just dropping, nothing really. So the next target was simply here, the 6.86% plus the value area low for a swing through pan really of this bottom. And from here, so you know, got a lovely bounce. Now the problem is with this, personally, well, a new low will be cool, I'm not going to lie. The reason for this is simply, well, if you go on the 5 minutes, for example, you just check out what came here. Okay, you've got a massive amount of longs. You've got 13 million of new longs opening here. I mean, and this never got stopped out yet. So all these amount of longs here, okay, we've got 3, 5 million, 1 million, 13 million. This is absolutely crazy. They never got stopped out really. So it will be really cool to minimum trigger these bottoms there to take some few people, liquidate these people really. And once we have done that, well, either rise, either continue lower to trap even more people. But yeah, that will be really cool really to stop these people first of all, before, if you have to get an increase in price, before you get an increase in price. Now, well, yeah, this that'll be the best really to do. So just wanted to let you know this, and so yeah, that's the reason why a retest really to stop these people or a new low will be absolutely lovely. So if we do so, well, we simply have to look for a swing through pan or a fair auction, and if we don't manage to do this, well, now we have a new weekly there a bit below, so be aware of that please, it's very important. Yeah, where is the volume of this? I can't remember. It's all on the top, yeah. And this, well, yeah, so again, we have a low here, okay, so well, we simply have to look for a swing through pan really, or a fair auction. Fair auction will go down to the weekly level, and then we'll manage to reclaim everything. Thing is, again, if we don't manage to reclaim this price low here with something bullish below, we are simply going to look for all the lows here to be taken. I mean, all the lows. We're maybe not going to take every single one here, but we have to look for the lows really here. Okay, and just trade the reaction on this. We take one low, we see what's coming on the order flow. We take the second one. If there is no reason to reclaim on the order flow, no reason to long, well, we just need to trade these lows here as a swing through a pan or a fair auction really. As simple as that. And if we manage to get acceptance below all the lows here, okay, so really all these lows, really this one, get acceptance below here, we're simply going to look for this previous uptrend here, okay, path control, value area low here. We have a very big zone here. It will be more for the 6.86% by the way, with a weekly, monthly level, all of this. There are some pretty strong levels as these ones are untapped at the moment. And yeah, that's it really. Not gonna go too low and too high, it's not really useful for the moment, I think, so I'm gonna stay with this. And yeah, don't forget, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm just gonna check the chat here. Good morning, mate. Thank you as always for the message. You're a real legend for this. And well, yeah, I'm feeling better. Didn't got so much rest this weekend, but I'm feeling better today still. Thanks for asking me. Hope you're doing great. Great too. Ethereum agency and root. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at this after Bitcoin. Well, yeah, so we're done with Bitcoin with the levels. I'm gonna go on the wave, but I mean, there's nothing new really, to be honest. I'm just gonna, if I can catch that. I'm not used it to wide screens again. On the laptop, it wasn't that big. Bam. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna show two targets here. That Valera low is very important if you have to go below here. That will be the well, a big swing through panel reduction really below. Yeah, that will be the thing. Yeah. But again, it will be the lows really. Okay, just for a big swing through panel reduction. Anyways, so now we are done with this. So yeah, let's go on the waves. The waves are here. The waves, well, I mean, there is nothing more to update really. If you prefer instead of the levels really to the downside, okay, it's really up to you. Okay, it's really up to you. You can pull the ABC flat fibs. Okay, just gonna move this a bit more on the left, perfect. So to speak, from the A wave root to the A wave bottom to the B wave top, and add, you know, the correction target. So here we'll have the MC extension 78.6, the last one, because well, we've got a bounce from the wall target really, but I mean, this one are right on the price action, so I just get rid of this. But yeah, 78.6, 1-to-1 extension, 123, 1618, 200% invalidation really of the pan. And there you go, we have our target also down. So for example here, 1-to-1 extension, swing through the pan, fellow showing into the weekly, 123 you have the lows plan, and the 1618 you have the lows even below here. So well, the targets are the same really, just if you prefer you can use the FIB. But yeah, I'm looking for this. The thing is now, well, we are still within the same zone of price really, in the same range if we can say. On Coinbase we did not took the previous high, on Bybit we did, so I'm gonna stay with this for the moment. And the thing is, yeah, after this pan is going to be completed really, well, I can bring this with still many configurations. It can still be a wave 1, a wave 2 to get a massive 3, 4, 5 next to complete this bigger wave 1, 2, 3 or 5. It can be a wave 2 of an ending, okay, if we have to be bullish here. So a wave 1 with an ABC zigzag, a wave 2, then you have a wave 3, 4, 5, you have a massive wedge like this to the upside. There is still a lot of configurations at the moment, so well, we need to get a move up or down here to really get some new data with the RSI, all of this really, to determine which one to take. And well, hopefully with this data we're going to be able to take mainly a configuration really. But anyways, in any case, we've been able to plan this, so it's lovely. And yeah, nothing more on Bitcoin really, as we're still in the same zone of price, just range bound. The best thing to do really, in case you don't want to make it too complex, is to just, you see this as a range and you just trade this range until it breaks. That's it. Now it's a big zone of price still, because we talk about, yeah, $5,000. So yeah, you just have to plan the levels between everything and trade the range really. You trade it as a scalp, swing, but you look for a longer around the lows and you look for a shorter on the top really, that's it. But anyways, so Bitcoin, yeah, we're done. Let's maybe have a look really quick at the alts in the watch list here. Core, I don't know what's happened. Yeah, we've got a massive drop on that one. Well, Bitcoin wasn't bullish, we've got a bit of a rise on that, okay, but now we went directly, we did got the, on everything here. Yes, we did. So these were some sideways, I think, in that case for a flat ABC. Well, we got a bit of a rise, but yeah, due to the Bitcoin drop, no continuation next really. We didn't got sideways up here. No, and we've got to move down into this bottom of the range really. Look at how crazy this is. Whoops. Weekly level, touch it to the dollar, swing through the pan, plus the bottom of the range really. So let's remove this. Well, remove all of this really. We don't care anymore. As now went below. Well, in that case, that one I don't have any trade set up. So yeah, this was some sideways here for an ABC. Sorry, but yeah, as always, you trade it with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is not ready for a bounce, there is no long here. It was. but well, Bitcoin next was dropping big, so normally you either close it, but I did not feel any long on this personally. As Bitcoin, I was looking for the ABC flat. Well, yeah. So yeah, core, we can remove that from the list now, or wait a bit more. FLOKI, well, we did got the drop, you know, was on the top there, looking for that drop to come. We've got one target plan above in case we want to do another retest. When was this? By the last update was Friday. Friday was the 7th. Yeah, so it was there. So it was already here. So yeah, well, I'm just got an ABC flat, no retest into the target. It was really in case we want to do a retest for a short. We didn't got the retest. Drop directly. In any case, we've got the wave down I was looking for here. That's pretty cool. Still looking for this. Okay, can be a double EXY as always. Okay, if we have to make something here a bit more complex, can be a double EXY. Now the problem is once we've completed the double EXY or ABC flat here, it can be for a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, for example, if Bitcoin is bullish, and then bam, 3, 4, 5, and massive increase in price. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3 or 5. But again, that will be a leading with a smaller wave of an ending. It's a bit more raw to look at this. Okay, to look for this next. So, well, if you remember good, yeah, it's here. Well, on the higher time frame, we did, it was, I can't remember who told me this, but it's a double EXY to the upside. So after it's not a wave 4 anymore, it's a B wave, and so after, well, the B wave, we'll just have to plan the targets lower here with the levels, and well, use also the wave and everything, but for now it's too early, so the levels first of all, and simply wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce, too long for the B to the C wave to the upside. That would be the plan for this. So yeah, personally I'm remaining patient, really no trade on that. Well, we still got a nice drop right into our first target, so I don't know if you've got some limits down there or something, but you could ride at 30% increase in price. Pretty cool, and yeah, that's it really for the moment on that one. So JASMY, this one, well, looking for the wave 4, it can be completed already, so I will be a bit careful. Okay, now it really depends on Bitcoin, but still I prefer this configuration for the moment. So I'm looking for that wave 4 here before another increase in price for the wave 5. The levels are, well, the targets really, it was on the 8 hours I was doing this, so here, well, it's a swing through upon reflection of this really, but a bit below around the weekly level. These are some old resistance, but as always, when you break through like this, you can see it was a resistance there. Well, you can do a flip to support next to you. Normally start longing in this, and so, well, my first target is really the weekly level. Otherwise, next we have this value are high of the perception value are high down to the lows here, and if we really have to go more down, we have the 50%, but here we'll really be a bit, well, yeah, we'll be careful, to be honest with you, because we start to be a bit low, so we'll really wait to see what Bitcoin is doing, if this is really bullish or not. If not, there is no reason to long this, and we're going to look normally and see a bigger drop really. So yeah, JASMY is what we can look for. MX, well, still holding for now the wave 4 around the 6.86%, but if we get acceptance below here, for me it's not valid anymore, and we'll have to change the count really. Sorry. Yeah, so people, we've got, well, people, I don't know if I updated that in the last video, really can't remember, it was on the 31, but in the last update I was talking, I think, about not PEPE, people, so yeah, I can't remember. In any case, we've got the bounce from the wave 4 here, the wave 5, we've got the wave 4 retracement. Yeah, normally I was covering this in the last update, and so we've got the wave 5 during the weekend, so now, well, normally it's, well, either a C wave top, either a wave 4 coming next, and we've got a bounce from our target, of course, from the MCFIB, by the way, perfectly well respected, pretty lovely. So now, well, if that's a wave 4, we can simply pull the wave 4 target, right, so to speak. Bam, we can add the 50%, but yeah, we cannot go below this really. Let's use well, 400, yeah, like this. Well, more on the right, by the way. And so yeah, normally now, well, this is a target we can look for really. The wave 3 is pretty short, to be honest with you. This is a 1618, 200%. All right. Yeah, well, this is a buy zone, but again, we start now being in some really higher time frame, if we can say that, higher time frame waves. So yeah, I mean, we can take some more time, really, so we'll not really be in a rush trying to long this. Let it go, to spend some more time. PEPE coin, well, it's, I mean, I don't know if you remember what happened there, but we did sort, I mean, personally sold everything, like really literally in the first move down here. Since then we've got a 40%, 50% drop. Yeah, 40%, 35% drop here. This is absolutely crazy. We are coming right into our target for the wave 4. We've got a bounce from, well, the second target we have planned, really. Well, this can be removed now for the retest. We've got a retracement from the second target we have planned. Well, the first target was this really below. If we don't have to swing through the pan there when it was above here, when it was dropping here, we've got no swing through the pan of reduction. This was the first target below. Then we've got this low here, Valera low, and this 6.66%. Where do we bounce from again? From the second target. That's pretty cool. Next target is really coming around this monthly level. Okay, if you of course don't swing through the pan, do a reduction at the bottom there. So yeah, well, I'm just gonna let it go. You can of course pull the triple wave target here, so from the top to the bottom to the top here. Maybe more on the right, by the way. How I place that? And on the top, yeah, on the top normally, more likely. So yeah, like this, it's simply a triple wave down. So well, normally it's a WXY because that was an ABC zigzag first of all. So W. Yeah, okay, double the XY to the downside really, and so you can simply trade this. Yeah, that's it really. So yeah, PEPE coin, nothing more to add. Nvidia is dropping right now. Well, I've got some alerts telling me it was going. The fuck? Alert on Nvidia. Well, I don't know, I've got an alert. What the fuck? Okay, well, I don't know what happened. Turbo. Oh yeah, turbo, by the way, before to move on the request. Well, we did got a bounce for the moment of the wave 4 target. Okay, the bison relay. Now the thing is, to complete this Y wave and to make really the wave 5, well, we need to get some 5 waves to the upside. So the thing is now, well, we have a 5 waves correction, 5 waves. Is it an ABC zigzag, or are we going to do some 5 waves? Well, you can bet, you can if you want, try to long this zone here. Personally, for this, it will be cool to go and touch the Valera high level. Let's see the Valera low level here. It will be cool to go and touch, so it's simply the previous downtrend Valera low. We've got the reclaim now, so we can look now for a flip to support of this. If we manage to get something of that, for example, if Bitcoin is bullish at that time, we can look for either a wave 5, either if we do directly a bigger increase in price, it will be simply here for a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and bam, 3, 4, 5, and so then you get a wave 3 or 5. So we can ride a nice increase in price here. Yeah, but first of all, we can look for a small wave 5. Just be aware of that. If we raise more, it's a double wave 1, 2, 1, 2. And if we don't get something bullish off that, well, it means that was an ABC zigzag really. Just read the order flow really into that, or wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a larger bounce, and that's it really. But yeah, so I just want to let you know this possible wave count here. Yeah, this is what we need for the wave 5 really. So turbo, that's it, and yeah, that's it really for the training watch list. Just 2 seconds please. Alright, sorry, had to blow my nose. So let's see the chat here. Where is the chat? The chat is there. Ethereum. So yeah. I checked Ethereum, or no? I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay. My pleasure. Sorry, that's my nose. Hi, dear CAB LV. Well, HNT I don't enroute, I don't have waves. Dear either ALV, either I think. Maybe ALV, can't remember. Anyway, so let's go on Ethereum first. Well, Ethereum is still, well, is in the wave for the moment. Do we have any invalidation on this? No, it's holding the line, so well, yeah, I mean, now, well, as always, if you long this, understand the risk. If Bitcoin, for example, is very bearish, that was an ABC zigzag, and so there is no way for N5 next. Is it possible to be in an ABC zigzag? Of course, if we have to be in a longer triple wave like this. It really all depends on Bitcoin. Okay, that's why if you long this, well, there is a risk management behind every single trade, and well, you know what to do, what you're doing normally. So well, yeah, now we're into the wave 4. We've got the WXY, the wave was looking for here to the downside. That's pretty cool. So well, yeah, that's it really. Wave 4 here, and we can look next for the wave 5. But we need some fireways up here to start the rise. We can class this as some fireways. Already checked it. Well, it was this morning, by the way. I can't remember how I counted that. Yeah, it was a wave 1, 2, 3 here. Well, it's a bit complex, to be honest with you. Looks not really... Except if this is an ABC or a WXY and we'll have a bigger WXY like this. I mean, that would be something a bit what the fuck, really. So it's not impossible, but it's a bit less probable. It's like, well, Bitcoin, it will be really cool. We stop the longs from there, first of all. It will be really lovely. Yeah, well, not gonna focus too much on the lower time frame. It really all depends on Bitcoin in any case. So, so yeah, well, that is a count really. It just followed perfectly. So, real nothing more really to add on this. HNT. Let me see that one. Oops, no requests. Where's what this is done now? Oops. Do I have? No, I don't have waves on this. That should be an out, and then we have what? A root. Oh no, I guess that was just higher. It's no crypto lane. I just understood. And yeah, FLOKI next. Alright, so let me just have a look at this real quick. Oh, nice. Crypto, okay, so pivotal contract on Bybit. Sorry. Okay. Well, which one have the oldest data here? It's crypto, but what is that? Sunday 20th April, so it will be MXC then. There you go. Well, let's have a look at this. And where is the other one? Here. On the lot scale. Yeah, it's just the same, so we can take this one here. Let's see root really quick. Which one has all this data? Do we have any Bybit here spots? What's the price? No. Okay, so wow, geez, that will be a hell to count, to be honest. Oof. Well, let's first do this one. So Bybit, we can move this down. HNT. Oh, this is so annoying when he's doing this. Like we need to go on the daily time frame to get that. Oh. Well, I'll take this as 5 waves to be honest. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Previous, but we cannot confirm a smaller wave here because we cannot go below the daily time frame to get this. So well, that will be the count here. Go with some white waves. That will be so a wave 1 to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5 with a massive extension in the wave 5. And then there'll be a wave 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that'll be the count here. But it's hard to say as we cannot go read on a lower time frame. It's not moving for a bit now. Anyways. Yeah, so 5 waves before, if we have some 5 waves, it's more likely in that case a higher time frame wave, but I'll be a bit careful with this to be honest. Yeah, I'll be a bit careful. It's what I prefer, but anyways, in any case, if we have some 5 waves before, it's either a wave 1, 2, so 3, 4, 5 later, like that. Placing that maybe a bit too high. There we go. Or as always, a massive A, B, C, and bam, there we go. Now to start the way through the C wave, we need to get some 5 waves here, impulsive or leading first of all, to create a bigger wave 1. Okay, so we need the wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 to make a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete this way through the C wave. So now, well, this is what we will need to find out really. So let's go and see and check at this. Okay, just gonna HNT USD. Nice. Okay, perfect. Okay, so low is before. Well, I'm gonna take this as 5 waves personally. But I'm gonna take this as an ABC flat or something here into the wave 2. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, ABC flat, ABC. What? Let's go with some red waves. Where is the wave for? Yep, here we have a new high made. Well, I guess that's an ending here, for example, on that top, but here that's just a scam wick on MEXC, for example. So yeah, here, sorry. So if we here have some 5 ways up, well, next it's simply a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go with some white waves. Yeah, this to, well, do the wave 3 or the C wave really. Yep. Or it's possible to simply to make a longer wave 2 or a longer B wave, but in that case it will be for a A, B, C. This is also something possible. Okay, A, B, C. That will be simply, for example, for a bigger to the downside W X with an ABC zigzag and then a Y wave to the downside, for example. So we just spend some more time being range bound, if we can say that. Okay, in here. Yeah, that will be the count really for that one. I'm just gonna add this one. Oh no. There you go. Oops. Well. Yeah, well, 1618, and yeah, now I mean, how you place it now? Yeah, okay, perfect. Well, yeah, that'll be the 71 here. We're right on it really. So yeah, that'll be the targets. There we go. First target, second, and the third. And well, if we invalidate that, it'll be the 1618 also below. But yeah, for now I'm gonna stay with the 3. See, there we go. Here is the count for that one. That one, to be honest with you, I mean, no, I'm not going to count that, to be honest. The chart is completely fucking. I mean, this is just range bound, so. Well, no, I'm not interested into this. No. Yeah, that one will be way too long for if I have to do this now. Basically, I'm gonna remove the ones here too. Good. FLOKI. Trading. But Bitcoin is stuck, or what's going on there, because it's not moving for. FLOKI. Let's remove the targets above here. We don't really care anymore. Want one extension too. Well, yeah, so it's either an ending, either a double EXY down here, so to speak, either for the expanding ending here for the C wave, Because the thing is, we have a correction there, I'm gonna check here, but the first move down looks like a correction, so it's either a double EXY, but again, we have to make something bigger, because if that's a Y wave, we cannot finish like that, so we have to make, for example, a flat, or whatever, really, a triangle, whatever you want, really, except a double EXY, or for example, simply a double EXY X and Z, so W, X, Y, X, and Z, okay? Where is it? Here. Otherwise, that's a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, expanding, ending really into the C wave. And yeah, so I'm not gonna cover the higher time frame because I already did. But yeah, for the lower time frame, the lookout count really, that will be this. Top will be more on the right, by the way. 1, 2. Yeah, that should be it really. Well, let's see if we manage to drop directly here. It depends really of Bitcoin, to be honest. Yeah, that'll be the count really. Yep. DAR. Nice, I already have some tail on this. A, B, C, D, D. Why it's not there? It should be on the bottom here. Well, yep, lovely. We've got a rise into the 1618. And what was the wait. Yeah. That's a big right. There we go. It's a plan, so you have the first hard hit. If we don't manage to make a Z wave below the Y wave here, that will be a no, I struggle counting this as an impulsive or something here leading. Or the bottom is here, and that will be a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. But yeah, in the wave 3, you don't have any impulsive. Nah, I'm gonna stay with this, to be honest. What I've planned really, so 1618 max target of the Y. Okay, rejection, so well. Everything is following, to be honest with you. Nothing more really to add on this. CKB, whoa, that one I didn't check it for a while, but I think it's because it's not moving much. Yeah, nothing to add on that. Still into the wave 4. ILV. If you want to get the last update really on this, you simply have to go on the Discord server, CKB here, and you have the latest updates on the last video really. But yeah, we're still in the wave 4, there is no update needed. And well, I'm not into the smaller wave count, yeah, USD. What's the symbol of this? Oh yeah, I remember here. And so what we've got since then? Well, we've got nothing, mate, since then. Yeah, on such asset, I'm really not going to spend some time, to be honest with you, on the lower time frame. I don't really care about this coin, so yeah, still the same. It was where exactly when we? It was in this first rise. Yeah, so I mean, we just got this since then. So I mean, yeah. Just this can be classed as 5 waves, really. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, is it for an ABC flat or not? I don't have the context on this, so I don't know. NASDAQ. Well, I don't know if I have some around. No, still not, mate. Not doing BTC dominance. Thank you for my pleasure, mate. It's what you say, NASDAQ. Do we have any cap, by the way? It's filled. Well, I don't have it at the moment. Oh, I'm stupid, is there? Well, do I have weight on this? Nah. Yeah, I don't have the smaller wave count for that at the moment. Yeah, well, this is a wave 1, 2 for sure. I don't know exactly where it's topping, but well, I guess that was the wave 3 top. And well, yeah, I mean, normally his 5 wave should be completed. Wave 4, 5. Yeah, that should be done normally. And so yeah, that will be simply here a bigger wave 1, 2 as always, or an ABC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or an ABC really. Bam. I will have to spend some more time on this. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Yeah, so there is a wave 1, 2 here. Three, 4, 5. There you go. We've got this smaller wave, so 1. No, how you place it now? Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5 here. Then normally, yeah, then you have the wave 5. Yeah, it should be it. Pink. Let's add still a small wave. Well, yeah, wasn't that complex at the end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, still better to check the turret on this, as always. So let's go back on the monthly time frame and see here very quickly. $3,618. And then I guess it's an extension, so yeah, perfect 1-to-1 extension here on the log scale, and the wave 4 here was what? It was very small, by the way. Sorry. Well, MC Fib, look at that. MCFib on the, well, not at the end, but here on the first retrace, we bounce from the MCFib. That's absolutely lovely. Wave 4 here. 1618, 2618. Okay, extension 1618. Okay. Well, lovely. Everything is following, to be honest. Two 618 on the log scale, then you have an extension there. So yeah, 2618, and well, now if you pull it like that, yeah, that's an extension. So well, you can look at a wave 5 on such. So on a log scale, really. Well, you just need to count 5 waves running into the wave 5. Like this. Well, to go that high, well, maybe. That's another. Oof. Jeez. Well, in any case, these are the targets really above. Well, first of all, this nice 618 here to be aware of. And well, then it's either a massive crash. Don't know what's going to happen in the world for this. Hopefully nothing. And then we'll wait its way forward. It's still a big crash, so it's still going to. Well, we're going to get something still, but not as big as after a C wave, really. Yeah. So yeah, these are the targets. We have 19,000, 29,000, 55,000, 155, 56 by the way, thousand here. The 4 turrets. What? There. Is it possible to win this? Yeah, for the moment. Well, yeah, on a lower time frame for now, if you don't raise too big, don't be the wave count really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 120 extension here, then you have the 1618, and then the 2618 here of the wave 5. Yeah, so normally we should stay with that, not make something bigger. Yeah. Before to continue, don't forget there is the third and last and final contest really that is live on the website. So it's a quiz really on the new LOA, of course. You know, you've got 3 contests at total, but the first one is over, the second one is over. It was some smaller prize pool. This one here is a $1,000 prize pool worth in Bitcoin, of course, divided between the 3 winners. So if I can open the picture, yes, here. I'll have to zoom in a bit. Well, the first place, well, by the way, I can do this directly. Just gonna come back to the normal view. I can do this directly from here, by the way. The announcement channel here. Well, the first place will win $500. Okay, so it's a quiz really. You just have to do the quiz, and more points you have, higher you will rank. And yeah, $500 for the first one, worth in Bitcoin. Don't forget, if you manage to beat my time, that is 8 minutes and 1 second, you will be able to win $300 in addition to the $500. This is the first place. Second place, $300. Third place, $200. So well, if you want to get to be part of the $100 prize pool winners, the 3 winners, really, feel free to go and check out this. You can find this out on the website, so you don't have to go here into the, for example, homepage. Click this read more button here, you will get this page there, and you can enter the contest here. But again, don't forget, this contest is for the apprentice members only, so you have to sign up as apprentice or upgrade if you already have an account. Don't forget to go also, if you didn't check it on Discord, to go on the bottom of the page to check out all the details. For example, it's a quiz on the 10 wave lessons. The lessons are here. All the details really, so you know exactly what to do. For example, here you will have to, I mean, this is a bit of a more complex quiz, because it's a final quiz really on all the lessons. So yeah, make sure you have enough time in a quiet place to stay focused. You have 20 minutes of this really. Just go and check this out so you can get all the details and well, be fully ready and prepared for the contest. And don't forget, if you only know the course here, I mean the lessons, don't forget also to go into the course page and to scroll down a bit and to watch at least 4 videos there. Okay, you have some chartings. So in addition to the theory, you've got well, you now have a bit of experience in addition to this. So yeah, just want to let you know that. And so, well, NASDAQ, we're done, really. These are the lower time frame targets, and now if you really push hard, you can look for the log scale targets, really, that are here. Bam. So you have the 618 really here, then you have the 120 extension. So yeah, watch out here, maybe the 618 we can get something. Sorry. So yeah, that's it really. For that one, well, normally I'm not doing the stocks and everything really, all the stuff, but well, that one wasn't too complex to be honest. Can you take a quick look at QNT, please? Yeah, sure. QNT, I can't remember if I have some ways on this or not. Alts. Nice, I have some waves. Oh yes, QNT, okay. Oof, what the fuck is this? Wait, when was this updated last time? What? Oh, it's because in the main channels. Okay. What was the? What the fuck? Okay. Well, I think I updated that into an update, but I didn't post the link. Stupid me. in the old TA. Oh. Well, I'll try to find out next. So anyway, EXY here. Now we took the low, so I think we ended up with an ABC zigzag here. Well, yeah, there we go, ABC. Truncated. The problem is we don't make a new high there on the right. That's what I don't like here personally. Let me see. If you pull the extension to like that, or rigid, oh yeah. In any case, it's not changing so much the count, to be honest with you. It will be simply here a EXY so let me just... I take this top XNZ, just gonna get rid of this. What is this? I'm trying to... Wait, what was this? Okay. So EXY, gonna go on a bit of a bigger time frame because I cannot place this here correctly. So EXY. I'm gonna take that top, to be honest with you. So I think that was well a EXY XNZ maybe. And now this is the wave down. Yeah, so now let's just pull the fibs. W root, W bottom. Go is 450. Well, I will not add only this, to be honest with you, because well, this is a bit of a big wave count here, so I'll also be aware of the lower time frame triple wave down here for the targets. Yeah, there we go. So let's move this on the right, this too. There we go. Well, there will be the wall buy zone really here below, and well, this will be the next fib really if we drop directly, because if you, for example, now spend some more time, we can get another fib pull and everything. So now if we drop directly, that will be the target. Or of course here if you need to, if you have to go below the 1-to-1 extension. Let's just remove this so we don't get too much. And yeah, so what is this here? The last wave down. Okay. Yeah, okay. What we have next? Yeah, so this can only be... Do we retrace 90% here or not at all? Yes, we do. Well, I'm gonna take this as a WXY personally. With an ABC zigzag first. A leading, ending here with, well, the ending here. Correction, and then there we have an ABC zigzag down. So that brings us with a WXY for the moment to the downside. We shall make something bigger in this normally, because this right here is an ABC zigzag. So well, we need to make something bigger next in that. Just gotta change the color. Okay, let's go with this then. Okay, no, red but blue, like this. Just gotta double check this again, but yeah, there are definitely some an ABC zigzag. So ABC, yeah, the WXY. The premise now we can make an X and a Z, for example. We can make again. There's a lot of things with this. We can even make a new high there, because the thing is, if we make a new high, there will be an A, directly a B. No, there's the wrong wave. So we can make an A, B, C flat, for example. We can make a triangle. We can make everything except a WXY, really. That's the problem with this. So there is, for example, A, B, C, D, E triangle to finish this Y wave. Finish a Z, that will finish everything. Yeah, there is all of this really possible. So I'm gonna take a WXY, X and Z because this is what we do most of the time. But now you understand that an ABC flat or whatever really is possible in there. W, bam. Oops. Yep, that is a count for the moment. X and Z, bam. It's a terrible shape, but well. Yeah, that is QNT really. Nice. And I don't see another request, so I think that we're good for today. Except if you have some other ones, let me know, really. Yep, excited to see where it is going to go Bitcoin. It will be really lovely to go and stop the longs from the very beginning here. What we've got there, 1 million, okay, some few longs, and now some shorts. No absorption. No. Just gonna check something here. Because this, we have some fairways up here, but yeah. Alright, so let me just check something here. Just to see if we can get something bullish of the retest, because if we get something here, well, again, we're longing below the resistance, really, so it's very complex to long here, but if you're a scalper, really, you can, depending on the reaction on the support, of course. Current session, path control. some few shorts. Yeah, it depends what we get here, but that is a zone really to look for a retest. And if we get something bullish of that, we can look for a new high there and see what's coming up next. Because it's either if we manage to get the rise and get some bullish data, either an ABC to go down, so take the highest minimum normally, either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, and if we don't manage to get anything bullish really of now of the retest there, we're not going to bounce, of course, and so it will be simply some 5 waves ending for an ABC flat, and so a correction really to go more down. Yeah, so the chat, no more message, so yeah, I think we're done for today. Do we have some news, by the way? Completely again forgot to check at this. Monday, Tuesday, no. Wednesday we have the Fed, okay. Alright, PPI is on Thursday. That is moving the market, and this one too. Well, we have some nice news to be honest with this week. FOMC, PPI in Michigan consumer sentiment. This is also moving sometimes the market. So well, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we can get some move. Well, either without the news as always, but this can help to time the move. So yeah, that's it really for today. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And normally, by the way, on Wednesday I shall be back with a webcam because yeah, I'm streaming from the main computer right now. So finally, and hopefully it won't bug anymore. But yeah, normally everything is fixed now, so it's perfect. But yeah, didn't got time to set up everything, so I'm gonna do this. I'll get time normally to do this before Wednesday. And yet, don't forget, again, there is a contest that is live on the website, the $1,000 contest. So simply go and check out the MOONCHARTS website, click the read more button here, you will get this page. And well, if you're an apprentice, you can enter the contest. If you're not, you will have to sign up as apprentice to upgrade. That's it really. Don't forget also to scroll down here to the details to really be fully ready and prepared to get all the information you need. Yeah. So anyways, good luck to you all for the contest. Thank you all for watching here this update. Hope you enjoyed. I catch you all on Wednesday for the next one, and maybe with another update tomorrow, today. I don't know, like if I'm going to update some coins, as I'm updating most of the alts in the daily updates. I'm not sure I'm going to record some videos. But anyways, catch you in the next one. Take care, and yeah, cheers.